Hey everyone, Jacob from MarineMax of Savannah here, and currently I am on the brand new 2026 Scout 188 SF. This is a huge upgrade from the Scout 177. You can see one of their newest features right here, and once again this is an 18-foot boat with a forward lounge position, so this could be ideal for the family, great for going fishing. It does have the sport fishing package, and they did a phenomenal job with getting the layout right on this one. I mean, it's an 18-foot boat, but it easily feels like a 20-foot boat. I'll go ahead and take you back here to the helm. Great setup right here. You've got your Garmin, you've got your Fusion stereo system. This is a brand new control unit that Scout just put out. You've got a compass right up here. You got a glove compartment for all of your odds and ends. You'll notice on the steering wheel they even put the Lumar ball on that for the roller. You've got a Yamaha 115 on this. It also comes with the 90. This one is equipped with the 115 for exceptional power. I mean, you've got rod holders along both sides. Adjustable backrest right here. Make it however comfortable you want it, with cooler storage right below it. And then you've got the 115 on the back here. I mean, guys, I'm excited for people to take a look at this, get in it, try it out. Comfortable boat, great for the family. Come by and see us. Thanks.